I like Sunny.
I think you should be in America Got Talent. Bro.
No, I'm not that good at dancing, bro. Wait, we've packed it. We have everything in the trunk. Our trunk is loaded. Yeah, food. Good thing we have the wagon, because we run.
And I'm so excited.
There are a lot of people here, so we're gonna go trying to find our friends.
Ready, Ronaldo? All right, way!
All right, guys, we're here, and these are all of my friends.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Daria, and
It's me, Fidan. And today's video is gonna be really exciting.
yes, it's gonna be really, really exciting.
So first of all, you guys, as soon as you entered the video, you're like, is this a map? And
Yeah.
you guys are correct. It is a map. Because this map is the USA where all the states are. And today is 4th of July.
Let's go! 4th of July! You see? USA, I'm wearing a shirt. 4th
I
of
don't,
July.
yeah. Fired up. You get it? Like the firecrackers? So yeah, I'm really excited for 4th of July because it's one of my favorite holidays because like we get to spend time with family.
Friends, and we get to do
Fireworks
fireworks.
and fireworks. So today I'm really excited. So today we are going to Bellevue to go see fireworks.
Yeah,
I'm
so
super
thrilled.
excited.
I'm so thrilled to go there. We're gonna be there with a friend, and it's
Yeah,
gonna be
one
really
of my
fun.
best friends / my soccer teammate. So yeah, it's in Bellevue and fireworks start at 10 p.m. It's at night. So we're planning to go like at 3 because everyone is planning.
Yeah.
The parking's
Getting seats over
Yeah.
there is hard when you're getting there at like late.
Yeah, so we need to be there
Early.
early. All right, guys, we forgot to show you the weather, so we're outside. It's like cloudy.
Yeah, it's pretty cloudy, but
It's bright also.
yeah, but 12 o'clock there's a chance of raining. No way. 12 o'clock, chance of raining, but then by the end of the day it'll turn around and it'll be sunny.
I like Sunny.
I think you should be in America Got Talent. Bro.
No, I'm not that good at dancing, bro. All right, guys.
Now we are about to leave, and we just had lunch, and it was really good lunch, right, Vidal?
Yeah, I'm so excited. So my friend is coming, and he might have reached, or he's on his way, and my brother's friend was coming.
Yeah.
So we're taking him with us. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be exciting. And we're just gonna chill in the car.
Yep. Yeah, I'm really excited for 4th of July.
We're
And
gonna
this is
see
the 250th anniversary.
of the USA. It's really cool though. So yeah, we're just gonna be chilling in the car, and we might introduce him in the car.
Yeah,
So
if
see,
he wants to.
yeah,
And also, look at the weather. Remember I told you it was about to rain? Well, it didn't rain, but after all, now it's sunny. And we have this kid.
So yeah, I think I have nothing to say. So see you guys in the car. And wait, we've packed it. We have everything in the trunk. Our trunk is loaded. Yeah, food.
All right.
Whatever. We'll see you guys in the car. All right, guys, we're here at the parking, and you previously saw me saying there's gonna be, we have to leave early because parking issues. Guess what? I was completely wrong. There's a whole bunch of parkings, as you can see. You can see that nice car. See, there's like a lot of parking. And over here, we have our car, okay? And then we have our wagon here, filled up with everything, and my dad and my mom. And my brother and his friend are over there just watching. He kind of, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Our friends reached a long time ago. We're kind of late, but it's all right. We found parking. We're cooking, okay? and I'm excited to go. I don't know how long the walk is from here. Probably like 5-10 minutes maybe. Good thing we have the wagon, because we run.
And I'm so excited.
Me too. In our wagon we got our soccer ball, snacks and everything. So I'm ready. Wait, how long is the walk here from the location?
The area,
Yeah,
it's gonna be like 5 or 10 minute walk.
I told you guys. So we'll see you guys at our location. You have to go down here. Car. Hey.
Yes.
People behind us.
How are you feeling?
Good. It feels good being back at Bellevue. All right, guys, we reached, and over here there are a little bit free parkings.
Yep, we got parking somehow. We could have parked here, but it's gonna be impossible to get out of here.
Yes. So it's just a whole grass field, and
They have a
there are a lot of there's just a truck blocking the road. I don't know why, and there are a whole bunch of people.
Why is it so active?
There are a lot of people here. So we're gonna go try to find our friends and make a setup so we can just chill. So we'll see you there.
Hi. And here is our grandma. Do you want to say hi?
Alright guys, we have reached our location. It is a nice place out here. It's really sunny and it's grass. You can see so many people here. Everybody got like tents, canopies to avoid the sun. And an umbrella is also good, but like you're gonna have to hold it. But a canopy or a tent is just, you don't need to do anything. My brother's here.
Guys, we have finally set up, and now I'm just sitting with Ethan.
Hi guys. They were just playing football. Catch.
Like football.
Yeah, this is our setup over here.
You want to give a tour to your setup?
Okay,
Come on, let's go.
so you walk from here. You find mats, chairs, and everything. That's Ethan's grandma and my dad, my brother's friend. Chairs, we got all the snacks over there in the wagon. So yeah, that's our little setup. It's gonna be fun. And right over there, as you can see that red balloon.
Where? Yeah.
Yeah,
So what is that? Balloon?
that red balloon is where they're gonna do the fireworks. So yeah, but that starts at 10. There's a long way to go. It's like 5 right now.
Yes.
5:04. Let me give you guys a quick tour about like how the area is, because there's a lot to show you guys. Is it a water? Let me wash my hands. Oh, it's so cold.
Dang, no washing.
I don't care. It's so cold. Feel it. Oh my. Push it down. Yummy. Oh, you guys should have done. I should have done that.
No, you need to get your shoe. You need to get that on. You have to have shoes on, okay? Yeah, the crosswork is okay. You ready, Winona? All right, way! Good job. That was perfect. Yay! All right. Who's next?
Me.
Oh, you need to have shoes on.
Oh, I'm not playing.
Yeah, yep.
Sorry, you suck.
Good job. Good job.
Oh, he did it.
M1, by the way.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay.
I can't. I want to put the dart one. This line's hella short. I want to go for 50 yards.
I just keep one throw is all I need.
One on target.
I think we're gonna go back to our setup now.
Yeah.
You guys go.
Alright guys, we're here and these are all my friends.
Yep.
Oh, my brother's in the back.
Yep.
Yeah.
And 2 of our people
They
went to get food. They went to get food. and
for us.
Yeah.
We kind of lost
But
them.
maybe they might not bring food because it's getting closed and fireworks are starting soon.
Yeah, the fireworks are about to start like in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So we came early. And over here
Yeah,
we're just
we're just playing balloons. We're playing balloon volleyball.
Yeah.
Volleyball, and it's very windy, so I don't know.
it's
Yeah.
me and Tejas, this is Tejas, and versus my brother and Ethan.
And yeah, we're just chilling here. And this is the setup.
Don't hit it, don't hit it. I'm not. What is that? What is I threw it.
So yeah, we're just gonna be enjoying and playing. So enjoy the fireworks.
Fly back.
Okay guys, the fireworks were really good. It was really fun. There were a lot of people and a lot of fireworks. I loved it. I think I had an amazing time. But like when I first heard it, it was so loud. But it's fun. It kept on repeating, so like I got used to it. But yeah, overall it's a pretty good time.
One more question.
Yeah?
How's the surprise?
What's the
Your
surprise?
friend showed up.
Oh yeah, my friends, like before they came, I was thinking like, I think they might have came, but I'm like, they live far away, so maybe not. Surprisingly, I came back, they were there. Like, I don't know why I thought of the question, but it was alright. I love the fireworks. I think it was an amazing time. If you live nearby Bellevue, you should come next 4th of July. It's really fun. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And as you can see, it is 10:31. Yes.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
Daria and looks like Daniel just dipped, but he's right there.
Yeah.
It's pretty dark. I don't know if you guys can see right now, but
Yeah, I think that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and drop down a comment if you liked our video and what you want to see more.
if you're new to our channel, make sure to go check out our other videos, and we'll see you then. Till
Okay,
then,
and this is my friend Tejas, and introduce yourself. Just say where you're from, what's your name. Oh, I already told, and then tell your age.
I'm Tejas, and I'm from India, but I was born in America, and I'm 10 years old.
Yeah, now you know him a little. And this is Ethan. Say your name. Well, I already said it. Say how old are you and where are you from?
I'm Ethan. I'm from the Philippines. Well, I was born here, but I'm just from the Philippines because my mom's Filipino.
Do you want to say anything for TheDVDVlog?
I just want to say, all of you guys should like and subscribe. All of you guys.
Till then, we out.
Peace.